Hi guys, so today we're gonna cook fried ham and hot dog bread roll. So this is a perfect snack, lalo na sa mga bata, pero pwede rin to sa matatanda. So here's our ingredients. I have 3 slices of bread, then 4 slices of cheese, 4 slices of bread, then breadcrumbs, mayo, which is optional, but better kung meron, then 2 ham, then 2 hot dog slices into half, then 2 eggs, and we're gonna use toothpick and rolling pin. So this recipe is good for 4 pieces, so 2 ham bread roll and 2 hot dog bread roll. So gagamit din pala tayo ng oil later for frying. So first, what we're gonna do is, for the bread, tatanggalin natin yung gilid niya, remove this. So you can do this by hand, but you can also do this by using knife or bread knife like this. So once na gawa mo na yun sa apat na bread, the next step is pipipiin natin siya. We're gonna flatten the bread using the rolling pin. But if you have no rolling pin, pwede rin naman. You can use hand or a clean bottle, kahit anong bote. Basta ma-flat lang siya. Then do this step din sa lahat ng apat na bread. So after you have flattened all like this, ganito dapat siya ka-flat. So next step is we're gonna put mayonnaise. But like sabi ko kanina, if you don't have mayonnaise, it's okay. So this thing is optional, pero kung meron, mas okay siya kasi mas malasa siya and mas malinamnam. So after putting the mayonnaise, next is lagay yung ham and then the cheese. Tapos iro-roll lang natin to. So once na-roll na, lagyan natin siya ng toothpick. So mga 3 toothpick siya. 2 dulo and sa gitna. Tabi lang siya. Then gawin mo lang, ulit lang natin siya sa. So for the hot dog, ganito naman, you put the half hot dog here and the cheese. Then roll it. So once tapos ka na sa lahat, next step is you're gonna dip one in the egg. So pwede mong kamayin, make sure na malinis ang kamay. Then after dipping in the egg, dip it in the breadcrumbs. Then repeat this step sa iba. Once nagawa mo na siya sa lahat, you're gonna heat the oil. Make sure na hindi siya ma-overcrowd, so may space dapat siya sa isa't isa para tamang-tama yung pag-fry niya. So ang gusto natin, what we want to achieve is a light brown to golden brown. So mabilis lang to. So after nyo siya ma-fry, so lagay nyo lang siya sa may tissue para ma-absorb niya yung oil. So once done, tanggalin nyo lang yung toothpick. Just remove all the toothpicks. So itong recipe kong ito is good for 4 pieces. So if gusto niyo mas marami, adjust niyo na lang yung ingredients. Very simple lang naman yung ingredients niya. So that's it.